turn off your car, pop the hood. You see it? It's right here. Just turn it this way and push the hood up, and it'll go right up. Then you'll get your latch, and basically, pretty cute. Good to go. Yeah, my engine bay needs a wash. I'm thinking about buying one of those electrical car washes with just a handle, and just turn it on, let it get hot, and then hose it down. Alright guys, so while I wait for my food, make sure I just make sense how to do this video. So my air filter needed changing, and I said, hey, why not upgrade it? So I'm gonna go with the Canon high flow air filter. I should have really did this from the time I bought the car. I'm almost done with the car, and I'm gonna put it in, but what the hell? Every time you buy a new car, I think you should upgrade your air filters, because this is like it's like a lifetime warranty. It's like reusable. All you gotta do is wash it, and you're good to go. Instead of every 6 months to a year, you gotta swap out your air filters. It saves you money. I got a 2014 Nissan Rouge. Nice car. I like SUVs because I'm tall, so I need that extra cushion. And here it is. And it's gonna go in here. And this is a 2014 Nissan Rouge. You gotta remove this clip, this one eventually, and this one over here, and this one down here. Yep. And then you just pull it all out. This came with this, and some decal. Do not discard. Washable. See? Gotta learn to save money. Well, that one was like not shaky. It was hard plastic. This one's like more wobble. Okay, so let's get these clips off. All I gotta do is squeeze these tabs. It'll flip open. Pop this one over here. This one. These go. Put your finger down there. Pop it off. And then it's all about getting this part. That part's off. That part's off. And then it just comes right up. And this is already out, so it's gonna just drop down, and all you gotta do is basically pull it out. And this is dirty. I don't know what's the normal factory time, but I check it, like if I do like 3 oil changes, I'll check it, see if it's dirty or not. The backside is always clean, so you know clean air is going in. It stops all the dirt and everything. And you're always trying to get out all those leaves and stuff. So now we're gonna put in the new one. Hopefully it's the right one and it fits. Get some more horsepower. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a little pin right here that you have to let be in the groove. Let's see if we can get it to focus. If you can see it right there. I'll probably circle it in the video, but it's like right here. Make sure it fits in the groove, so this is in place. But yep, that's how you install a new air filter in a 2014 Nissan Rouge. And we got some more stuff in here too, from K&N decal. I'll probably put that under my hood. My other one, it had like a little curve to it, if you can see it. So let's see how this fits. And it fits perfect. All you gotta do is snap this box on. Snap. This one always gives me a hard time. Okay. I'm gonna have to vacuum these leaves out when I'm done. All you gotta do is align it up with the groove here. And there's another groove at the back. And all you gotta do is just drop it down and slide it into place. Here. Put these back on. And you're all set.